Oh, hello everybody. We're back. The storm finally died out, but we've got some angry looking sky here moving east, and I mean it's bubbling and everything. Now, the only time you'd see this is when there's been real nasty, severe thunderstorms. Okay, that's usually the Midwest. It's where you'd see sky looking like this. And they're getting slammed east, north, and south of us right now. Well, I'm getting damage reports coming in. You know, from a friend of mine on his street. They got a power line on fire with a tree branch and numerous trees down on his street, and he's the only one that got lucky. Very creepy feeling right now. There ain't no birds singing.